All right, time for another demonstration. This time I'm going to record the operator's output from the Studio Micro camera versus the program output. The operator's output shows things like the shutter speed, the aperture, and the gain and white balance. So by recording that one, we can see what those settings are. The top left knob here adjusts the white balance. So I can go from a low of 2800 up through about 8000. I think is the limit on this one. If you turn it too far, it wraps around. But I think best for this demonstration, we'll stick to about 3200. So there we go, 3200. The next knob here adjusts the gain, it's set for 0 dB. You can turn it to -6, -12, +6, 0, 6, 12, way too bright. So let's go back down to 0. This is the shutter speed. Nothing's really moving, so it's set for a 60th of a second. But we can increase it faster and faster, and of course the picture gets darker the faster we go. Or take it back down to 1/60th. This fourth knob adjusts the aperture, or the iris. So it's at f2.8 right now, which is wide open. But we can take that down. Turning to the left makes it darker. So we can keep going as dark as we want. Or we can take it back up to f2.8. I'm going to keep it on f2.8 because the next thing I want to show is the focus. And of course we get the shallowest depth of field with the focus or the iris at f2.8. So right now the Lego front-end loader's in focus. I'm going to turn the knob counterclockwise. Now the little toggle joystick switch is in focus. I turn it even further counterclockwise. We can get the Honeywell toggle switch there with the reproduction shuttle switch guard on it. And then we can turn back to the right, get the joystick back in focus, get the Lego front-end loader back in focus, or go a little bit further and get the board at the back of the image in focus. So I think this is pretty much complete. The only thing left to do on it here is to implement a push to autofocus when you push down on this knob right here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks.